It says it's a 2-in-1 whitening system. Booster activates toothpaste to remove stains and whiten teeth faster and more effectively than either alone. So it comes in 2 scents, the Cool Mint with activated charcoal or the Mild Mint. So that is basically the first level that they're talking about, that you can start with just the toothpaste alone. I have not used this, and I can't tell you guys. And I don't know if I'm going to use any of these products because I have such sensitivity in my teeth. I'm nervous about it. So now on page 192, we've got 1, 2, and 3 levels. Number 1 is the intro level, Periel Thair Whitening Gel. You use it 1 to 2 times a day, and you can also use it as a refill on the system that's number 3. It's $19.99, and you apply the gel. It's one of those, like a gel that you put onto your teeth right here. Okay. Then you can choose the number 2 system, which is premium level. And it says use 30 minutes a day. Teeth look whiter in only 1 week. Special airtight wrap conforms to the contours of your teeth and seals in hydrogen peroxide gel to protect saliva from diluting it. Allows for whitening while talking or moving around. You get 14 strips for a 7-day use. It's $24.99 at the intro price. So you put the gel on, then you put the strips on, and then you secure the strips. So that's their level 2. Now I have used strips before, not from Avon, but I have used them in the past. But they did kind of slip around, so it would be interesting to know if those stayed where they are supposed to. And then number 3 is the Premium Deluxe level, and it's the Instant Whitening LED Light System. You use the hydrogen peroxide gel with the LED light for 10 minutes, and that's how that works. Now, I'm really glad we're offering these because people want teeth whitening products. That's something that people want. That's something that they, it's very in-demand item. But I just, as much as I want to try them for you guys and for myself, I just have such sensitive teeth. I don't know if I should, I'm just not sure. I don't know. What do you think? On $198 and $199, we have the Kachina hand soap, and now we have the matching hand lotions to go with those. The sun's starting to come in on me now. I actually just gave a bottle of the Kachina rhubarb hand soap, grapefruit rhubarb, to my father-in-law's nurse this morning when she was here. On page 202 and 203 are those new Veilment Spa collection, the charcoal exfoliating soap and the charcoal body scrub, and the Natural Spa Dead Sea Mud body scrub, and the Himalayan Pink Salt body soap. I wouldn't mind having the body soap. And bubble bath. If you are ready for a bubble bath, on page 205, there's a whole bunch of them on sale for $6.69. That orange and honeysuckle, I think, sounds really nice. Told you by the time I get done, that guy would stop using the chainsaw. Oh, you know what? I don't have this flagged, but I did use the other day, finally. I had a sample of the, let me pull the page back. A sample of the Propyl Thera hair mask on page 209. It's $15. I really liked it. I used the Propyl Thera shampoo and conditioner and the hair oil serum, but I wanted to try the mask, and I had that. I actually used it after I colored my hair. I used the mask to kind of condition it from the coloring process. It was so nice. Like, I put it in, and you know how, like, if you color your hair at home, you know how this is. As soon as you rinse out your color, your hair feels like it's in a big wad. You know what I mean? Like, it just feels dry and in a big wad. And I put that on, and I worked it through my hair and stuff, and it just instantly, like, detangled it, and it was so soft. It really is nice. So I will be getting the full size on that for sure. I was glad to learn that. On page 218 and 219 are the Hexa Shield over-the-counter first aid essentials. Those are still all on the intro price. And the Baby Shark products on $2.20 and $2.21. They are also still out on intro price. The men's Gentology is on $2.23. Keith hasn't used his yet. I feel like my dress is falling sideways. It's because I'm leaning this way. I'm a left side leaner. I always do that. Like, I lean on my left side when I sit in a chair. I lean on my left elbow. I lean, you know. I shouldn't lean anyways. Ladies don't lean. Right? And then the Bug Guard, all the Bug Guard. But I really think that Bug Guard deal on the back of that flyer is probably the way to go. I think it's fabulous. But I have been using, like I mentioned, on page 224, the aerosol spray with SPF 28. It's $12.49. I've been using that one, and I have been really, again, I don't want to say I love a bug spray because nobody loves a bug spray, but it works really good. I mean, it works really good. They don't even buzz around my area. Excuse me. It's like they're gone. You know, you don't even hear them or see them. It's pretty good. So, I need to get out that on 226, that limited edition Gentle Breeze one, the pink one, and we should take a look at that and see how it does. I actually had to use sunscreen on my feet before I came outside because I thought I was going to be sitting on my swing, and my feet are right in the sun when I do that, and I didn't want to get burned, but then I moved over here to the shade. So that is it, you guys. That is campaign 17. So campaign 17 started on Tuesday. Today's Friday. I did want to have this up sooner. Actually, to be honest with you, here's me just talking again. I went to film it my intention was to film yesterday, and we had our neighbors on the other side. So not my neighbors on this side, but my neighbors on the other side. The one I mentioned that used to come over for coffee all the time before the pandemic. He actually was diagnosed with stage 4 lung cancer back in May. And they had an emergency yesterday morning, quite early in the morning. We were all still asleep. It was just after dawn, basically, and she called. The wife called, and she wanted Keith to come over immediately and help her. And she had called 911, but before they could get there, she was needing Keith to help her. He was in a bad situation, and but he's okay now. They got him stabilized and everything, and he's in the hospital. But it kind of threw me off for the rest of the day because we were, the call came early and we woke up, and then we had our coffee and stuff like that. And then I was tired, so I went back to bed, and I slept too late then. And it was just kind of and then we were kind of waiting to hear from them and see how he was. We were nervous about that and everything. So it just threw off the pace of the day yesterday. But today I wanted to get this done, so hopefully I'll get that out to you guys. And I apologize that it came up on Friday once the campaign started Tuesday. So I'm working hopefully to get things done in a more timely fashion again, like I used to, before the pandemic hit and everything just turned into a big slack fest, Excuses, I know. All right, you guys. Well, thank you so much for watching. And I'll put the dates for campaign 17 in the description section below, and I'll list what I have on. But basically, I only have the Cashmere Complexion Concealer. I've got the bronzer, the new bronzer. I have the Coral Moisture Cushion Blush, the Moisture Cushion Highlighter. I have my highbrow sculpting gel for the eyebrows. I have the purple mascara, and my lip is Devoted in the Mattitude line. So that's about it. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you in the next video. You hear the hawk? Oh, I see it flying. It's going to try and pick me up and carry me off. Good luck with that.